Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your tax documents with TurboTax, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin backing up your tax documents with TurboTax, launch the TurboTax application or visit their website. Next, log into your TurboTax account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, navigate to your tax returns section. Choose the year for which you want to back up your documents. Click on the Documents tab to access your saved files. Review the list of documents associated with your tax return. Select the documents you wish to back up. Usually, these documents include your W-2s, 1099s, and any other relevant tax forms. After selecting the documents, look for the Download option. Click on the Download button to save the files to your computer. Choose a secure location on your computer for storing these documents. Consider creating a dedicated folder named Tax Documents for easy access. Once the documents have downloaded, verify their integrity by opening each file. Next, you may want to create a backup on an external drive or a cloud storage service. To back up on an external drive, connect it to your computer. Copy the tax documents folder from your computer and paste it onto the external drive. For cloud storage, log into your chosen service like Google Drive or Dropbox. Upload the tax documents folder to your cloud storage account. Confirm that the upload has completed successfully. Regularly repeat these steps each year to ensure all your tax documents are backed up properly. By following this guide, you can safeguard your tax documents with ease. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.